BJP mantra, Mr. Gopal Agarwal, and the BJP is calling this formula Santra. Why is that?
The mantra and Santra. The Santra is like this. On the top, it shows that they are together. It is covered by one peel, but inside they are all separate. So the thing is, the opposition, now you have just now played the statement of Arvind Kejriwal. What did he say? What Congress is saying for so many days. Even Chidambaram, who was taking the press conference, he has said that it is work in progress. And when this work in progress started, it started in 2014 when they lost the election. And now it is 2023. For 9 years it's work in progress. So when it will finish, when it will go. And the unity is what? Everybody, Mamata Banerjee wants a prime ministership for herself. Nitish Kumarji wants him for himself. KCR is aspiring for his own leadership and prime ministership. Rahul Gandhi, even in Congress, there are so many aspirants. So what will happen? So unity, these are all family-owned businesses, family-owned parties. Their only agenda is to install their own family member or the individual to the top post, and their only ideology and agenda is oppose Modi.
Okay,
So
Nikhil
no
Jain,
ideology,
the argument being
no
given is
commitment.
that all the democracy-loving parties are on one side in the BJP bloc, and all the family-owned parties are on the other side.
Ms. Joshi, you know it better than I. This can be the farthest from the truth. The NDA is no longer a democratic coalition or a coalition of democratic parties. It is about the BJP and few small parties that are still clinging on with the BJP, whether it is the Shiromani Akali Dal, whether it is the Shiv Sena of the Thackeray's. All of their alliance partners, major alliance partners, have begun to leave them. And let's not talk about dynasty, because the BJP loves its own dynasty. Who is Anurag Thakur? Who is Piyush Goyal? Who is Jay Shah? So let's not make arguments that are cyclic. The point is that the BJP right now in the country is the biggest assault and threat to democracy, and all the opposition parties are setting aside their differences, coming together on a common platform against the BJP.
Right.
We
So you
saw that
said
in the
that they are setting aside their differences. Let me actually quote to you what Jairam Ramesh said about something that happened yesterday. He said 3 months after election as Congress MLA, Byron Biswas lured away by the TMC. It's complete betrayal of mandate of Sagar Diggi's people. Such poaching has happened earlier in Goa, Meghalaya, Tripura. Poaching is not designed to strengthen opposition unity. It serves BJP's objectives. Doesn't really seem that too many people are coming together.
See, the Samajwadi Party, the DMK, the Thackeray Shiv Sena, the NCP, all these parties are on a single plank with the Congress. The only parties that are not opposition parties, that are not supporting the Congress right now, is the BSP, which is also not opposing the Congress per se. It is the Aam Aadmi Party and it is the Trinamool Congress. And so far as the Aam Aadmi Party and the Trinamool Congress are concerned, they have leaders who are, let's call them greedy, let's call them ambitious, different ways to look at it, but they all have their own national aspirations, and that is why it is different to reach a common minimum program.
Okay, shots fired, Anirban Banerjee. Greedy.